Spying on friends through platforms like WhatsApp can be motivated by several reasons. Though it's important to approach these situations with caution and respect for privacy. Some of the reasons why people spy on other people's WhatsApp could be for curiosity. Many people may be curious about what their friends are discussing or sharing, especially when they feel out or are worried about what is being said. So people spy on their friends' WhatsApp. Then another reason could be trust issues. If someone feels insecure or has trust issues, they might monitor their friends' messages to confirm their suspicion or reassure themselves. Then for safety, most times individuals may monitor friends' communication out of concern for their safety. Like for kids, parents monitor their kids' WhatsApp to prevent them from danger. It is important to remember, that spying can damage trust and relationship. So open communication is often healthier approach to addressing concerns or misunderstandings. If you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop videos like this. Now let's dive right in. To monitor your friends or your partner's WhatsApp chat, you need to download an app. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will be using the Play Store for Android. So there's an app you need to download. I'll be dropping the link to downloading the app in the description of this video, so you can download the app directly after clicking the link. So I'm going to open the app now. I'm going to cancel this advert. Then the app is open. So I'm going to click on dual app at the left hand side of my screen. I'm going to click on dual app. Then you read the instructions. It says open WhatsApp on your phone. That is the other phone you are about to start spying. So you need to get a way to get your friends or your partner's phone. To do this, you need the phone you are about to spy. You need it. So you click on link devices, and then you come back and scan this QR code. So you understand? So I'm going to minimize and just show you using my WhatsApp, but I'm going to connect with my other WhatsApp phone so you see what I am saying. So I'm going to minimize now. I'm going to my WhatsApp. So don't forget, this WhatsApp should be the WhatsApp you are about to start spying. So you click on the three dots at the right hand side, then you click on linked devices. Then you click on link a device. I'm going to use my mobile data. So it's going to open a camera for me. I'm going to click on OK. Then after click on OK, I'm going to scan the QR code from my other phone. Okay, after scanning, I'm going to wait for it to scan. It take a few seconds to scan. So after scanning, it will load, and that is it. I now have my friend's WhatsApp in my phone in this app. So anytime I can just come into this app and see what my friend is doing on WhatsApp. I can click on any message, listen to his voice notes, look at his status. You can see this is his community, this is his groups. I can even modify, I can even chat with it. That is how to spy on your friends WhatsApp. Thank you very much. Do well to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and hit the notification bell. See you in our next video.